To ensure effective CPAP therapy, you should clean and replace your accessories, such as your chamber, tubing and filters, on a regular basis. You can obtain these items from your CPAP provider. The cost of these items may be covered by your insurance provider if applicable. On a daily basis, you should clean your chamber and tube. When preparing to clean your CPAP, always turn it off and unplug it from the power socket. Wipe the exterior of your CPAP with a clean, damp cloth and a mild dishwashing detergent. To clean the chamber and tube, first remove the breathing tube from the chamber and then remove the chamber by pressing down the finger guard and sliding off the chamber. Pour out and discard the unused water from the chamber. Clean the chamber with mild soapy water. Rinse well with fresh water and leave to dry out of direct sunlight. Wash the tube with warm soapy water then rinse with fresh water. Hang the hose to dry with the ends pointing to the floor. When cleaning your equipment, do not use bleaches or other cleaning agents, as residue may be harmful to your health and damage the device. For more thorough cleaning of your chamber, consult the cleaning and maintenance section of your operating manual. To ensure the delivery of clean air during therapy, your CPAP has been fitted with an air filter. This is located at the rear of the machine. Replace the air filter when it becomes significantly discolored, or at least once every 3 months. To replace the filter, remove the filter holder from the back of the CPAP and take out the filter. Replace the old filter with a new filter. Ensure the black vertical line is facing towards the CPAP. Reinsert the filter holder back into the CPAP. Follow the same instructions as for setup, reattaching the chamber and plugging in the CPAP. It is now ready for use.